The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a luxurious statement on wheels, blending advanced engineering, elegant design, and cutting-edge technology into one remarkable travel companion. As soon as you lay eyes on it, the exterior commands attention with its sleek aerodynamic shape, finished in a range of premium paint options that reflect light beautifully. The signature Mercedes grille, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights, gives the motorhome a modern and confident face, while the sculpted body lines and chrome accents showcase the brand's commitment to elegance and detail. This is not just a motorhome, it's an invitation to travel in style. From the side, the elongated silhouette tells you everything about its spacious interior. The design incorporates large panoramic windows that not only give the vehicle a futuristic look but also flood the cabin with natural light. The motorhome sits on custom alloy wheels, and the low, stable stance hints at the advanced suspension system underneath, designed to keep your ride smooth whether you're cruising on the highway or venturing into the countryside. Every inch of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome has been carefully crafted to balance aesthetics with functionality, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. Stepping inside, you're immediately welcomed into a world of comfort and sophistication. The interior is a perfect blend of high-end materials, soft leather, real wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and premium fabrics. The front cabin is driver-focused yet luxurious, with a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment touchscreen, and advanced voice controls powered by the latest MBUX system. Ergonomically designed seats offer multiple adjustment options, massage functions, and even climate control, ensuring long drives are a pleasure rather than a chore. The living space feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. A spacious lounge area features plush seating that can easily convert into additional sleeping space. The ambient lighting system can be customized to create the perfect mood for relaxing evenings, while the integrated sound system offers theater-quality audio for movies or music. The kitchenette is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and a microwave oven, making cooking on the road not just possible, but enjoyable. Storage has been smartly integrated throughout, so you never feel cramped or cluttered. The sleeping quarters are equally impressive, offering a full-size bed with premium mattress and high-quality bedding. Large windows in the bedroom area bring in natural light during the day, while blackout shades ensure a peaceful night's rest. Cleverly designed wardrobes and cabinets provide ample space for clothing and travel essentials. The bathroom is a marvel in itself, featuring a spacious shower, modern fixtures, and high-end finishes that make it feel more like a spa than a motorhome washroom. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome offers powerful yet efficient engine options, paired with advanced hybrid technology to reduce emissions without compromising performance. The drivetrain is supported by adaptive air suspension, ensuring a comfortable ride on any terrain. Safety is a top priority, with the latest driver assist features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for stress-free maneuvering. On the road, this motorhome delivers a quiet, refined driving experience, with excellent sound insulation keeping the cabin serene even at highway speeds. The combination of advanced technology, comfort, and performance makes every journey feel effortless. Whether you're exploring scenic coastal routes, heading into the mountains, or crossing entire countries, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome transforms the trip into an experience you'll never forget. This is more than just a way to get from one place to another. It's a mobile sanctuary, a symbol of freedom and luxury, and a testament to Mercedes-Benz's ability to redefine what's possible in a motorhome. For travelers who demand the best in comfort, design, and innovation, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is the ultimate road companion.